XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, July 26. In today's XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, SEC wants to delay trial again. Alright, let's get started. The SEC has sent a plea to the court to delay the trial versus XRP again. The SEC states, on the grounds the US government could face limitless losses as a result of businesses that accept payments in untaxed and untraceable cryptocurrencies like XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum could indeed bust the entire economy into insolvency. Therefore, we need to delay the trial again to specifically go over and point the ramifications of possibly ruling in XRP's favor. A growing number of companies, including the ethical cosmetics firm Lush and office-sharing firm WeWork, have begun taking payments for goods and services in cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, alongside debit payments, credit or cash. But while the shift has been welcomed by crypto enthusiasts, the SEC said it could be an easy way for directors to hide cash from authorities, particularly when companies go bust. Cindy Palmer, a managing director at the SEC, said the growing popularity of cryptocurrency payments like XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum would make it harder for administrators who are in charge of winding down a business after it fails, to track where money has come from, and whether owners, staff or directors are stripping funds out of the business illegally. It means criminals could walk away with income that would usually be clawed back and distributed to creditors, including the tax collectors at bigger revenue and customs locations. Palmer said that without new regulations and taxation plans, the government could face huge losses. The potential is limitless, depending on how popular this becomes, she warned. It is the latest threat emerging from the rising popularity of cryptocurrencies like XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, which have been linked to money laundering and black market dealings. According to Palmer, criminals hoping to conceal wealth from tax collectors and administrators have traditionally had to go through the onerous process of setting up an investment vehicle, such as an offshore trust, to hide cash. In recent years, it has become easier for small businesses, tradespeople and criminals to accept payment in cryptocurrency by setting up virtual wallets online. With trusts, at least we could see the source of that money and where it's gone, Palmer said. But with cryptocurrencies like XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, which are harder to trace, we've got even less of a chance of actually tracing that and seeing the money that's been taken out. Palmer said there was nothing the profession could do to tackle the issue on its own 3 years ago and believes U.S. authorities should take more action and introduce stricter laws to ensure crypto assets are properly regulated and taxed. It's potentially a major loss of income tax revenue, she said. The SEC said it would potentially release a manual outlining the tax consequences of different types of crypto asset transactions like XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. An SEC spokesperson said, "We take action, including using powers provided by the government to gather data from a range of information sources, to identify and investigate those that have failed to declare all their income and gains, ranging from individuals operating in the hidden economy, through to sophisticated organized crime groups and offshore structures used to hide earnings and other assets." XRP chart analysis. Over the monthly chart, XRP price recovery has now reached near its minor resistance of 20-day moving averages, DMA. After a long time, the digital asset is currently trading near the 20 DMA line, but the volume over the monthly chart is lower. Volume at the chart needs to improve to suppress its hurdle of 20 DMA, which falls below the average line. Since May 2021, the crypto asset has been trading below its 20 DMA line, but the recent buying interest pushes the coin near the 20 DMA line. Once, XRP tokens started to sustain above 20 and 50 DMA with supportive volume action will push more buyers in upcoming trading sessions. Support on the lower side is at $0.5120 and $0.4450, whereas resistance on the higher side is 72 cents and 81 cents. Resistance on the higher side is 72 cents and 81 cents. XRP price, at the weekly chart, is now trading flat after a good recovery from lower levels. The technical parameters are now projecting a sideways trend after an intense buying action from the lower levels. Presently, XRP is trading at 60 cents with an intraday loss of -0.34%, and the volume to market cap ratio is at 0.09204. Relative Strength Index, sideways, XRP price RSI presently indicates a flat or sideways trend over the weekly chart. In contrast, the RSI is trying to move higher after testing the oversold zone and heading towards the overbought zone CMP 60. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, neutral, currently indicates a neutral or flat trend on the daily chart. This is because the buyer's signal line, blue, overlaps the seller's line, orange. The price of XRP has gone down by 0.18% since yesterday. Overall, it increased by 2.83% over the past week. From the technical point of view, XRP may go lower since it could not fix in the area of 70 cents. This is why it is reasonable to expect the retest of the support at 50 cents one more time. XRP is trading at $0.5932 at press time. XRP price analysis. XRP price has recorded a muted rebound after reaching an oversold reading on the daily RSI, trailing the 3-day bounces recorded at the beginning of June or late May and casting doubt on the commitment and emotion behind the jump from the July 20th low. Therefore, as long as Ripple changes hand below the critical May 23rd low of $0.652, the forecast remains neutral. Since the May collapse, XRP price has been casually plotting a descending parallel channel pattern with the midline granting superior support through most of the decline. The current rebound materialized near the midline, and the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the rally from the December 2020 low at $0.555. However, the Ripple rebound has not transformed into an impulsive rally, striking considerable resistance at May's descending trendline. To renew the spirit of the rebound, XRP price needs a daily close above May's descending trendline around $0.612 and the May 23rd low of $0.652, a point of resistance in mid-July. February and December 2020 highs fortify the May 23rd low. A daily Ripple close above the two levels does not open an easy path to higher prices, as the 50-day SMA rests at $0.693 and then the upper line of the descending parallel channel at $0.720. The layers of resistance continue with the 200-day SMA at $0.757 and then the neckline of a head and shoulders pattern going back to 2018 at $0.775. In total, XRP price needs to break 6 solidified resistance levels and rally 31% from the current price to escape the zone completely. After the neckline, XRP price is free until the psychologically important $1, where bullish outlooks can be refined to bigger ambitions. Critical to the relentless climb through layers of resistance is the support afforded XRP price around the junction of the 78.6% retracement level at $0.555 and the descending channel's midline at $0.531, marking a 10% decline from the current price. A failure to hold puts Ripple at risk of testing at least the June 22nd low of $0.512 and potentially the channel's lower line at $0.392. Ideally, it would be a positive development if XRP price closed today above the May descending trendline. It would put Ripple in a better position to tackle the layers of resistance. Nevertheless, maintaining a weekly close above the 50-week SMA is a constructive beginning to a much-anticipated rally to the April high of $1.96. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to All Investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.